So now let's see how we can work around with Sapling Tree Gen Plugin inside of Blender. So to work around with Sapling Tree Gen Plugin, first of all, you need to enable the plugin. And to do that, you need to go around into Edit, and then you need to go to Preferences. Once you do that, you can see Sapling Tree Gen is an option right here. You got to click on it, and then the plugin will be enabled. So to generate a tree, you need to press Shift A on your keyboard. And then what you need to do is you need to go around into Curve, and over here you can see Sapling Tree Plugin is an option. And once you click on this, you get this little option right here. You have to click on this before clicking anywhere else. And then what you can do is you can go around, increase the bevel resolution right here, change around the curve levels and so forth. You can also work around with the curves over here as well and change around the branch distortion right here. You can work around with the rings right here and generate however you like it. So over here by default you're working around with geometry, and over here you can see that there's branch radius over here as well. So you can increase and decrease the radius of the branch and get the look you want as well. So you can really make it thick like a bush, as you can see right here, or make it thin right here. You can also increase the scale right here, decrease out the scale right here, and so forth, as you can see, and work around with the roots over here as well. There's like tapering option right here, as you can see, and then get the look you want. So let me just go around right here, get these things around right here and so forth, as you can see right here. So once you do that, you can also go around into branch growth right here and work around with the length variations, the length of the tree right here. You can work around with the curvature over here as well, curvature variation, and work around with different things right here. So it's all up to how you want to work around with this. So there's pruning right over here as well. You can increase and decrease out the values right here. You can also increase the pruning, as you can see right here, to change this how this looks. Okay, you have to enable this first right here. Then you got like leaves. You can enable out the leaves over here as well. And similarly, you can choose rectangular leaves over here, or you can choose like different sorts of leaves, as you can see right here, and then choose around however you like it. So you got the envelope right here, as you can see right here, and you can go around with the leaves right here and so forth, get the effect you want. You want to go around with leaf scale, you can go around and then increase and decrease out the scale over here as well. So I'm just going to go around right here, and let's say I'm going to have 0.10 right here, and then this is what you have right here. So you can get the look you want, and then you can go around into armature, and if you want to use armature animation, you can also enable out armature right here. So there's sort of an error going on right here, just like this. So you got the armature over here as well. So at this point, our mesh is quite heavy right here. So let me just press tab right here, and this is what you have. Let me just delete everything out right here and then generate out another tree again. So I'm going to go to curve, Sapling Tree Gen. This is what you have. So now let me just enable the armature, and you can see armature is applied right here. So another thing that you can do is you can go around into animation and have armature animation, leaves animation, and preview as well. So I'm just going to go around into leaves and enable out the leaves as well, so that you can see how the animation actually looks like. So now I'm going to click on the leaves. So it is generating out the leaves right here, just like this. So this is what you have. And if I were to press the play button, you can see that according to the animation right here, according to the animation option, the animation speed right here, you can increase and decrease the speed as well. So I'm just going to go 0.7 right here, just like this, and then it'll generate out the animation right here. It does take a bit of time to load because it is very heavy right here. And there you go, there's the animation right here. Let me just go around right here onto the other option right here, and you can see that this is how it looks. You got a little bit of animation right there. That is how it looks right here. There's a bit of movement, as you can see. And that is how you can easily generate out tree by using the Sapling Tree Gen plugin inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.